Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us.
In this video you will see pressure die casting machine cold chamber non-dismantled, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, Buhler, model, H800B, type of machine, pressure die casting machine cold chamber non-dismantled, mandled. Please note that the machine came from England factory and is not dismantled at all. Paid heavy price to bring it as non-dismantled. Way from England to Mumbai warehouse. Technical details: locking force 940 ton, injection force 70 to 26.5 ton, ejector force 34 ton, overall Platen 1410 by 1410. Distance between Tiebars 900 by 900. Tiebar DR 180 mm. Ejector stroke 175 mm. Die opening stroke 900 mm. Motor capacity 55 kW. Overall dimension 9,800 by 3,500 by 2,800. Approximate 40,000 kilograms.
Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website www.jkgears.com.